for the right vehicle? Check out 2013 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, backup camera, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power sunroof, keyless entry, remote engine start, tow hitch, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.